Welcome back to my channel. This video direct method for continuous data. You know the formula mean equal to x bar equal to summation I equal to 1 to n fi into xi divided by summation I equal to 1 to n fi, where I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. n. I varies from 1 to n, where xi is the class mark. Here continuous data, so class mark xi equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit all divided by 2. This average only the class mark xi. This is continuous data and fi is the frequency. Summation I equal to 1 to n fi equal to total number of frequency, this one. For example, you make the table class interval, number of students fi, class mark xi and fi into xi, the formula value. So you will get total number of frequency and total number of fi into xi. So you substitute the formula, you will get the mean value x bar. This is continuous data. Example, problem 1, class interval 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. See the table. This class ends with 25 means next interval starts from same number 25. This is ends with 40, next number starts with same 40. So this is class interval is correct. Next one, class width is 10 to 25. 25 minus 10 is width is 15. So 25 minus 40 minus 25 is width is 15. Same class width is 15. Solution. Width equal to any interval you can choose, same width only come. So 40 minus 55 width is 15. So all class intervals same width. Next one, first check this one. Next one, you know the formula mean equal to x bar equal to summation I equal to 1 to n fi into xi by summation I equal to 1 to n fi. I varies from 1 to n. First you draw the table. First class interval, next one number of students, next one class mark, first one class interval, next one number of students, next one class mark xi, next one fi into xi. First interval is 10 to 25, second one 25 to 40, third one 40 to 55, next one 55 to 70, next one 70 to 85, next one 85 to 100. Next one number of students is 2, 3, 7, 6, 6. Next one class mark. You know the formula upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So 25 plus 10 divided by 2. 35 by 2. 1 2s are 2, 7 remain left over, carry over 1, 7 2s are 14, carry over 1 point, 5 2s are 10, so 17.5. First one value is 17.5. Next one, 40 plus 25 by 2, this is 65 by 2, 3 2s are 6, carry over 1, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, carry over 1, 5 2s are 10. Next one, 32.5. Next one, 2 by 2, this is 95 by 2, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, balance 1, carry over 1, 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 5 2s are 10, 47.5. Next one, this is 125 by 2, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 14, carry over 1, 5 2s are 10, so 60.5, 62.5. Next one, 80 plus 70, 85 plus 70, this is 155 by